Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I am going to share my failed attempt to start a corporation 4 or 5 years ago. It is still online, it is still selling, but it's going slow. But I'm not giving up. I'm trying other projects while still working on this old project of mine. And I'm going to share this project with you today. This is my struggle on creating a business. Hey, so it's a beautiful day today, sunny afternoon. So I'm gonna do this shoot outside to show you my project I started around 4 or 5 years ago. It's called the Vin Marian Jeans. I'm wearing it now. This is one of my first attempts to start a company. It didn't fail. It wasn't successful as I thought it would be, and it's a pants with the hip pockets on the side. So you can put the phone on the hip and you can sit down and you don't have to sit on your phone, and it's not in the front pocket. As you can see, there's a phone, there's a hip pocket, and there's a front pocket, and there's a back pocket. The same thing is on the other side, right here. And you can sit down, you won't sit on your phone. And one of the reasons why I thought this would be really successful is that we all will have this phone. We all have a smartphone, and it's shaped like this. So I thought everybody would not want to put it in the back pocket or the front pocket. They just put on their side pocket. So it was patented. It's still patent pending 5 years later, and around $20,000 to the lawyers. It's still patent pending, and a lot of money went to the construction and the design and the manufacturing of these jeans that is done in Los Angeles, California. This jean, my friends, is 100% made in the USA, and you can still get it online at vinmarian.com. But anyway, the economy has gone down. This jeans is made in the US, so it's much more expensive than the one that are made in China or Mexico or Vietnam or wherever. But the material is a highly is a high quality material. Is good denim jeans, but it hasn't been selling very well as I would hope. You know, it's like $99 right here that you can get it online, but that is still quite expensive. But it's not as expensive as your other designer jeans. It's a functional jeans. But anyway, when I first started this project, I put on jeans and pants, and I don't think my pants cover the women tight pants that you've seen all the women wear now when they go to the gym. I don't think it's covered that. I missed that part. That is one of the mistakes that I made. I should have started making those yoga, gym workout pants that all the women wear these days with the pocket on the hip for the phone. That's what I should have done, and not the denim jeans. I thought the denim jeans would be cover both men's and women's, but it wasn't successful. But anyway, this is the Vin Marian Jeans project, one of the companies that I attempted that is still online, that's not successful. Let me demonstrate you some more what this jean does. So here's the jeans, guys. This is the Vin Marian Jeans. Let me demonstrate you how it works. I'm sitting down. I have a phone in my hip pocket. I can take the phone out, use it, and I can put it back in the hip pocket without struggling how to put in the back pocket where you have to sit down, or in the front pocket where it's be extremely uncomfortable, as it would be for me if I have a big bulky phone in front of my big pockets. I don't know how people can sit on their phone or put the phone in the front pocket. The same thing's on the other side, right here, on my hip pocket. I can put my phone in and take it out easily without struggling, and I don't have to sit on it. But anyway, this is what the Vin Marian hip pocket jeans is. You can still get it online at vinmarian.com. But anyway, I'm not here to sell you jeans. I just want to show you one of my corporation that I created. Is selling, it's not very successful, but I'm not giving up. I'm moving on to other projects while this one is still nurturing. And hopefully it will be successful someday. So my whole point of this video is, if you fell down, if you're not successful, don't give up. Keep on moving, keep on trying, try something else. If this doesn't work, try something else. And maybe this thing's successful. And then while you're working on this, maybe this one is still brewing, you know, it's still picking up speed. And hopefully it will be successful someday. That's what my message is. And that's my message is to myself as well. I'm trying to relay the message, but I'm also trying to tell myself this is what I need to do. Thanks for watching. And I hope you like my Vin Marian jeans. I'm trying to change the world. Well, not really trying to change the world. I'm trying to change the pants, trying to change things, make things different. I'm proud of my creation, even though it was not very successful. This is one of my ideas, to change things, to make things different, to make things better. Even though it is not successful, but I believe it was copied by the yoga pants, the workout pants. But that's okay. I have other ideas. Hey guys, so this is from Vin Marian website. That's a screenshot. That's my friend Jess modeling for me for the Vin Marian hip pocket jeans. That's Jess again. And this is a screenshot that my friend Chris on top modeling the jeans, and my other friends Will sitting down the bottom. And that's Will again, and the guy down the bottom is me. That's being taken from Stone Mountain Park in this picture. And that's my friend Brittany modeling the jean for me. In today's episode, I told you about my creation of a designer jeans with the hip pocket, a design that the industry had never seen before. As you can tell, there's a hip pocket right here, but you can't even see it. You can't even see that's a pocket. I tried to create something brand new that the world has never seen before. It's a pants. We all wear pants. It's not a big deal. And hopefully it will be successful down the road. I did not expect it to fail. I thought it would be successful. That was my mistakes. But at first, if you don't succeed, try and try again. My next project is going to be something the world has never seen before neither. It's going to take a lot for me to create my next project. This thing was hard. Going from drawing to get the money, to design the jeans, to find a manufacturer in California, fly there, meet them, design the jeans, then going to productions, hiring jeans model, both men's and women's jeans model. Do you know they are professional jeans model? I didn't even know there's such a thing, but there is. And once is going to production, once is went to production and it was done, I have to get the models to test it again, because as of anything, the concept to design to manufacturing the end products are different. So we have to tweak it, fix it, and then go into production again. And once everything's done, I had to create a website to sell on the website. I had to shoot the ads to put on the website. It was a very long couple years ordeal with lots of money, probably over $100,000 in total. But anyway, I'm not giving up. I'm trying something else. I want to create something that the world has never seen before. My next projects. Hopefully it'll be more successful. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode. I was told by a very good friend of mine that the only thing we have in control is time. Time is the most precious commodity that we have, and we are totally in control of what we do with our time. Whether you are working to create something, or you're resting, or you take time to enjoy the world, time is yours.